my ladies, all my ladies. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Well, some say.
All right, and we are back once again. Hindi talaga tayo papaawat sa gabing ito. Again, ladies and gentlemen, excited na yung mga models natin backstage. So I again present to you the ruggedest hire from Ryan Gungona. Yes, and that's from the Fashion Gallery by Ryan and Ivy Company. Next up to our rugged attire collections from designer Miss JC Bedrero.
Excuse me, can I have your attention please for one more time? She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. I love your curves and believe me, it is every pound. Stop your diet, come on, do it for me. Do it for me. I love you round, 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 cause you're so sexy. Oh, yes, she is. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't. Can I try it, baby? You don't have to be shy. Don't be shy. You seem to be on your own and I'm wondering why. Why? Wondering why. Show me all that you've got. Do it for me. Do it for me. I love you round, 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 cause you're so sexy. Oh, yes, she is. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she kicks. I'll be your sugar daddy, you'll be my sugar cane. With every sip I'm taking, you'll drip into my vein. You are as sweet as cola, you pierce like coffee. I wanna know the secret that no one's ever seen. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all cause she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. I love your curves and believe me, it is every pound. Stop your diet, come on, do it for me. Do it for me. I love you round, 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 cause you're so sexy. Oh, yes, she is. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't. Can I try it, baby? You don't have to be shy. Don't be shy. tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she cakes. I'll be your sugar daddy, you'll be my sugar cane. With every sip I'm taking, you'll drip into my vein. You are as sweet as cola, you push like caffeine. I wanna know the secret that no one's ever seen. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all 'cause she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. I love your curves, and believe me, it is every pound. Stop
Thank
your
you so
diet
much, model
now.
employees. And again, maraming salamat, Miss JC Berrero. Next on the list, still with our rugged wear segment, please welcome collections from Mr. Ruel Velasco.
Parisian music drifting from the bar. Tu cherches quoi? Raconterai la mort. Tu te prends pour qui? Toi aussi, tu détestes la vie.
Thank you so much, model employees, for the Ruel Velasco collection. Please welcome on stage a solo collection from Aga Riñon for the rugged attire. diba? And that concludes the Rugged Attire segment for tonight. Hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos ang ating event. Meron pa tayong inaabangan na formal wear. But before we proceed to that segment, we also would like to thank our following sponsors. Of course, we would like to thank Mayor Nelson S. Legacion, AA Pahati Construction, Haciendas de Naga, Pili Park Cafe, EnviroCare, Caramel Bake Shop, Yashano Mall, Hong Enterprises, Miss Jet Vergara, Luis Francisco Calaika, Engineer Ferdinand Shah, Miss Jenny Shah, Meeting Place, Maki Espinas, Miss Alicia Naag, Independent Beauty Consultant of Mary Kay, Litay Magno, Ning Francisco, Zalrian Zayat, Naga City Hospital staff, and Dr. Joseph Sanchez. CRO, CEPPIO, CMO, and LGU of Naga. Naga City Livelihood of Incubation Center and GNN. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat for supporting this momentous event. Also, we would like to say thank you and congratulations to our committees. Ito po sila, yung mga committee ngayong gabi. We have Miss Marisa Ray Abante, Susan Buenavente, Attorney Marion Legacion. Congratulations, First Lady. Our event organizer, Miss Lian Zuniga Montemayor of Zinergity Events Management. Zalrian Zuniga Sayat, photojournalist at European Press Photo Agency. Our Executive Committee, Attorney Marion Legacion, Miss Lian Zuniga Montemayor, Miss Marisa Ray Abante, Miss Susan Buenavente, Mr. Derek Marpuri, and Miss Lani Peñas. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga executive committees. Job well done sa inyo, and I think ready na sila. Ladies and gentlemen, our next segment. Ito, inaabangan to ng lahat. Kasi formal wear, di ba? Pag may mga beauty pageant, isa ito sa mga highlights. Yung kanilang mga gowns and suits. Pero maya-maya lamang daw po yan. Alright. So, I think we still have enough audience for tonight. Okay pa ba kayo? Okay pa. Siyempre naman, kaya tayo nandyan pa kasi gusto pa nating makita ang ating mga model employees wearing different collections from our featured designers. Ayan po. Again, congratulations in advance to all the people who made this event possible, from the smallest to the major sponsors. Ayan. And also our designers, makeup artists, photo video team. Maraming salamat po for supporting this beautiful event. Truly, this is a very kumbaga groundbreaking event. Sana ito na talaga yung simula ng pagbabalik ng mga events natin dito sa Naga. At patuloy po tayong magdasal, sabi nga ni Mayor Nelson Legacion kanina, kung hindi na po mag-worsen, and hopefully, God permits na talagang tuloy-tuloy na po, talagang magkakaroon na tayo ng Peña Francia festivity ngayong taon. Wow, grabe. 2 years, sinintay natin. Inaabangan natin dyan yung, syempre, yung traslasyon, military parade, civic parade, Miss Bicolandia lalo na, at ang iba't iba pang mga activities ng ating city. Hindi lang po kasi dito tayo, hindi lang mga taga rito ang nagse-celebrate niyan. Worldwide po actually siya. Meron tayo mga devotees from all over the world coming together here in our place. Alright. Check. Okay na. Ayan, I got the approval from our stage director. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our formal wear segment. This time around, we'll start with a collection from JC Pedrero Couture.
See what your eyes want to see. How can life be what you want it to be? You're frozen when your heart's not open. You're so consumed with how much you get. You waste your time with hate and regret. You're broken when your heart's not open.
Kylie Francine Tripulca, or Kylie, is 24 years old, a third-year law student of University of Nueva Cáceres, a graduate of BSBA Financial Management and Accounting at Ateneo de Naga University, Achievement Awardee in Adjudication and Debate, a ballerina, airsoft player, free diving student, mixed martial arts student, traveler, the SK Federation President, City Councilor of the City of Naga, Angat Bayi Fellow of the UP Center for Women and Gender Studies in Office of the Vice President, a member of the Philippine Councilors League, member National Youth Movement of Young Legislators. Jezebel Nepomuceno of the General Services Office graduated from NITC, completing her 2-year course in Information Technology. While pursuing her vocational course, she felt immense pressure to immediately land a job after she graduated. For her, this Women's Month, we are reminded that women are just as strong, as hardworking, and are as capable. She would not be here if it were not for her family and friends who gave her tremendous support in pursuing her dreams. With the help of her family and friends, she managed to pull herself together and push herself harder. This lad is a 33-year-old single mama of 2 handsome boys. She is a strong-willed Aquarius born on the 28th of January 1989. She loves to play basketball and badminton. At present, she is an emergency room nurse at the Naga City Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, the thriving, passionate nurse for 11 years, Miss Camille Ann Apolinario Tormes. This hunk and strong gentleman is an epitome of a diligent Taurus born on the 29th of April 1991. Mr. Hospital Week 2018 first runner-up. He enjoys playing online games in basketball. A prolific nurse for 10 years. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Alan Oxiano Belmonte. Jose Pabilona Martinez Jr. Crystal, as we call her, currently a working student, Administrative Aide 1 at Lingkod Barangay Office, and a midwifery student at the City College of Naga. She was assigned as a liaison officer, performing tasks that may expedite her office mandate, which is to serve the people of the 27 barangays in Naga City. All of her endeavors, performing her duties and responsibilities, is always in her heart and mind, especially being a member of the LGBTQ+, in pursuit of the goals and objectives of the group. Alano is currently working at the City Treasurers of the Local Government Unit of Naga. Education, awareness, and information against HIV and AIDS was her battle cry towards the member of the LGBTQ+ community. With this, she was able to help them be educated and promote self-care so that we may be able to be at par with the other members of the society, gaining equal rights and privileges. Elsie Maria Romano is currently the Division Head of Early Childhood Care and Development Division Office of the Local Government Unit of Naga for 27 years. She is overseeing and supervising 6 teachers on foot, 10 SEED Montessori teachers, and 85 EduCare teachers all over Naga City. She is likewise the recipient of the 2019 Mayoral Award and garnered the second highest award among 75 awardees. She was able to help 7 cities including Vigan, Lipa, Tagaytay, and Cavite, and 38 municipalities all over the Philippines through her teachers' comprehensive training programs. Through her immense efforts, the EduCare Service Program has earned numerous national awards such as people know him by the name Jeff Chan. This brave, charming, and independent guy is a professional stage and events host not only in the city of Naga but also around the Bicol region. He was then part of the ABS-CBN Star Magic Workshopper in Talent as a stage and events host in the year 2005. Hosted different events all over the metro, and the only Bicolano host chosen to pair celebrity hosts like Chris Aquino, Luis Manzano, Venus Ra, Daniel Matsunaga, and many more. Born in the city of Masbate and took a Bachelor of Arts major in Classical Philosophy at Mater's Zaida Rifarian. This 53-year-old gal was born in Manila, migrated to Naga City in the year 1975, a daughter of a Bicolano and a Nueva Ecija. Finished secondary school in 1985 at the Colegio de Santa Isabel and then Universidad de Santa Isabel. Finished her Bachelor of Commerce in Business Administration in 1992 at the University of Nueva Cáceres. Worked with the provincial government at the age of 17. Finished college 5 years after. Worked with Land Bank of the Philippines for 9 years and started working with the City Government of Naga in 2009. At present, she is the acting division chief of the feminine yet fierce, strong yet gentle, confident yet humble, youngest among the 3 siblings and daughter of the lovely city Vice Mayor Nene De Asis. BJ is Metro Peso's fashion diva. Her passion for fashion dates back to her high school years, where she blossomed in the midst of all her male peers at the Ateneo de Naga University High School. This beautiful woman started her journey in the city government 8 years ago after her stint at a BPO company in Metro Manila. With her love for the arts, she directed several cities' events promoting the beauty of Naga's vibrant culture and traditions as a member of the Arts, Culture, and Tourism Office. Christian Rendel Moraño, this young guy is 19 years old from Barangay San Felipe. With his gift of height, he was part of the varsity team of University of Nueva Cáceres. With his hyperactive personality, he loves to play and participate in outdoor activities. Not only that, also a former brand ambassador of Winston and Globe.
Ladies and gentlemen, designer Miss JC Pedrero. Yes, that's our first formal wear designer, Miss JC Pedrero. Next stop on the list, we present to you the formal wear collection of designer Ruel Velasco.
A third-year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Psychology at University of Nueva Cáceres, former SK chairman of Barangay Lerma in Naga City, former modeling trainer and photographer of Bicol Fashionista, and currently working at the local government unit of Naga as administrative aide and assigned at Naga City Youth Development Office, under the supervision of Mr. Johan De La Rosa.
To the end of love, yeah, dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like they do in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me.
Hubert Padillo Brocales, or Bipit, as he is fondly called by family and friends, is the third child of Tirso and Delia Brocales. He went to Naga Parochial School for his elementary education and, as expected from most parochialista, moved to Ateneo de Naga University for high school and eventually to college, earning a Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree. While at school, he distinguished himself as an academic achiever and student leader, notably as president of the Atenean Nursing Students Association and batch president of the graduating class of 2008. His pursuit of loving and caring 23-year-old gentleman John Fausto Dones of Sabang have always gone by the idea that things are just things. He suffered depression and anxiety, which he still seems to struggle with. However, he finds himself to continue to be hardworking, determined, which she believes it will so much help him to achieve his dreams for his family. Kanta igdi, kanta duman. Rakit igdi, rakit duman. Doon ka mapapagal para sa pamilya. And tonight, as he walks with confidence, not a typical model, but the true model of hardworking and determined son of Sabang, who wanted to aspire for them, to inspire, and not to Rafael Jude de Vera, a 25-year-old hyperactive guy from Concepcion Grande, Naga City, a new cap at the city legal office. He graduated from the Ateneo de Naga University College of Law in 2021 and took the bar last February 2022. He was the former team captain of the Ateneo Golden Knight basketball team from 2015 to 2017, represented the Philippines in the FIBA 3x3 Manila Masters, and was part of the championship team of the TNT Tatluhan in 2014 and in the Ginebra 3-on-3 in 2017.
Let me see your beauty when the witnesses.
Engineer Hurley Lazuela de los Reyes, born on September 20, 1972. Married with 3 kids and a grandmother of a 3-year-old boy. A licensed civil engineer and junior geodetic engineer. Graduated Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering at University of Northeastern Philippines in 2011. Engineer 1 at the City Planning and Development Office. Executive member of the Naga City Council for Women. Member of the Technical Working Group of the Project Monitoring Committee of the city. First Vice President of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, Camarines Sur Chapter. Former Alumni Board of Director of Universidad de Santa Isabel Alumni Association. Member of Chevaliers Societas Incorporated. Kavina Rosales, most people call her Vina, is 55 years old, married to former Naga City Councilor Raul Rosales, blessed with 3 wonderful children. Graduated BSBA in Management at the University of Nueva Cáceres. Started working in MEPO from February of 2013 to October of 2018 as a consultant. From November 2018 to present, she became a casual employee, appointed as an administrative assistant at the Market Enterprise and Promotions Office. Her duties and responsibilities include handling the 5S program, Merkadong Malinig, Negosyong Masarig. She also takes care of the stallholders and vendors' concerns. She provides administrative support to NCPM advertisers. Pinky Inocencio is a strong lady of the City Vice Mayor's Office, an administrative aide for and former barangay secretary of Barangay del Rosario. Stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall and blessed with 2 kids.
Dance me to your beauty with a burning violin. Dance me through the planet till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch and be my homeward dove.
Maria Charisma Zamudio Escueta is a licensed professional teacher, teaching virtual classes at Sid Montessori 2. Her main duty is to ensure the delivery of quality preschool education, a resident trainer for early childhood education, topics, and workshop for newly hired educator teacher in Naga City.
Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of
A loving wife to an OFW hubby and a nurturing mother of 3, a frustrated beauty queen and singer. Her dreams to travel the world as a sea woman remains a fervent wish. She graduated at Mariners Polytechnic College's Foundation in 2002 with a degree in Hotel and Restaurant Management. Ang dakilang frontliner at rakitera ng City Mayor's Office, ang cheerful at funny na si Grace Sagi.
and dance me very long. We're both of us beneath our love, we're both of us above.
Vern for short took up computer programming at AMA Computer Learning Center and professional caregiving course at Philippine Women University, an administrative aide 1 position at the City Planning Development Office. Currently reassigned at Contact Tracing and Monitoring Center as a hotline operator. She firmly believes that if you follow the right wisdom of will and intellect, you will never go wrong in making decisions in life. Her name derived from the day she was born. It was Viernes or Viernes Santo, the time of April 17, 1981.
To the end of love.
Arnel Alcisto, crowned as Miss Gay Bicolandia 2003 first runner-up, Executive Vice Chairman for Internal and External Affairs of Share Ami International, Miss Gay Bicolandia Incorporated. Lifetime active volunteer member of Naga City Bantay Familia. An event organizer, choreographer, and director of beauty pageants and special events. A 3-term graduate barangay official of Barangay Liboton for 2002 till 2014. A member of Kabataang Liberan ng Pilipinas. Volunteer member for Lenny Movement. Presently connected at the Sangguniang Panglungsod and at the office of the City Vice Mayor of Naga City.
To the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witness
Or people call her Pretty June, a man with a beautiful face, a twofold gender in one persona, proven as crowned Miss Gay Camarines Sur in the year 2000. Graduated BSBA major in Computer Management and Accounting at Ateneo de Naga University and Computer System Design and Programming at AMA Computer Learning Center. An Administrative Aide 4 casual employee assigned at the City Accountant's Office in charge of BIR remittance on compensation for 17 years. In addition, an auditor and execom of Share Ami International. She believes that life is ironic. It takes depression to know happiness. It takes stress to understand calm. It takes absence to value presence.
dance me very tenderly and dance me very long. We're both of us beneath our love, we're both of us above. And dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the children who are asking to be born. Dance me through the curtains that our kisses have outworn. Raise a tent of shelter now, though every thread is torn, and dance me to the end of love.
Or people call her Pretty June.
Dance me to your beauty with a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch and be my homeward dove, and dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like they do in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the wedding now. Dance me on and on. Dance me very tenderly and dance me very long. We'll both of us beneath our love with a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch and be
Ladies and gentlemen, designer Mr. Roel Velasco.
to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like they do in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the wedding now. Dance me on and on. Dance me very tenderly and dance me very long. We're both of us beneath our love. We're both of us above, and dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the children who are asking to be born. Dance Dance me through the curtains that our kisses have outworn. Raise a tent of shelter now, though every thread is torn. And dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like they do in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me to the end of love. Yeah, dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the wedding now. Dance me on and on. Dance me very tenderly and dance me very long. We're both of us beneath our love. We're both of us above. And dance me to the end of love.
Congratulations once again, designer Ruel Velasco. Wow, napakaganda talaga ng collection. Next on our list, our third designer, featuring also his formal wear. Please welcome our model employees wearing Ryan Gongona.
Remember fantasizing as a princess. She would spend hours undergoing fairy godmother transformation. She would put on fake nails, heels, makeup, and put on a sparkly dress. She felt like the world was her kingdom. Her mother would look at her and just smile and tell her that she was the most beautiful girl in the world. These words of encouragement from her mother helped her boost her self-esteem and confidence. Isabel Marfega, at 23 years of age, majorette and third-year college student at Mariners Polytechnic College's Foundation, taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and soon to be a flight attendant. Esel Bermundo, 22 years old, a graduate of bachelor's degree in PE and a licensed professional teacher, pursuing master's degree in public administration. Currently the project coordinator of Community Wi-Fi, whom a wide city project intended for the students of Naga City. She is currently assigned at the Naga City Youth Development Office. A proud mother of two, a dedicated barangay secretary of Barangay Tabuco for 16 years, and today, a hard-working administrative aide at the newly created Community Relations Office. Her varied interests include culinary. As they say, the way to a community's heart is through their hungry stomachs. Ang TES ng Community Relations Office, TES Relato. An event coordinator, a local tour guide, a peer educator, a CBS motivator, and an HIV/AIDS advocate. So you should need a helpline? Drop her a message at 0967-416-2951. No hate, just love. A stress eater, a backpacker, and a bitch mom. A fur parent and a better half. Ang servidor ning amiga, pamilya, asin sa iyang kaymanwa, Chloe ng City Treasury. Owen Versosa from RCB and PDAO office was born on August 27, 1977. This simple yet lovely lad is the PWD president of Barangay Concepcion Pequeña and working at the local government unit of Naga and a massage therapist. Her hobbies include playing volleyball and listening to music and traveling. This boy next door is 23 years of age, hail from Barangay Concepcion Pequeña. He's someone with whom you can sit down and have a friendly chat with about anything under the sun, and won't get offended simply because you disagree on some things. Full of talent and humility that makes him adorable. An administrative aide of the city mayor's office, where his nose as his greatest asset still makes him simple, lovable, but no longer available. Mike Aldes. Nino Ruvibar was born on February 21, 1977. Married to Madel C. Ruvibar and blessed with two admirable children, namely Adam Nino and Andre Nino. Graduated BSBA major in management at the Ateneo de Naga University. This strong-willed man works at the Naga City Council for Women, where he is a champion in the gender and development program of the city.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome designer Mr. Ryan Gongona with our Honorable Vice Mayor Cecilia Veluz de Asis. And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you a solo formal wear creation from Aga Riñon.
Leadership experience kick off her involvement in the Faith Society at her barangay as the youth president from 1992 to 1995. Being a youth leader, she was fortunate enough to have many opportunities open up for her, while she helped many teens from multiple sectors of the barangay. As the elected SK chairman from 1996 to 2002, she pioneered the youth development team and learned about the struggles that the youth and barangay officials she worked with dealt with every day. Moreover, she was and still a freelance makeup artist, event organizer, and a talent handler for the local pageants of our region. She also co-produced and chaired the project of That's My Boy Bicolandia. And right now, she is part of the Sheer Ami International Exicom, and she was the pageant chairman of Miss Gay Bicolandia in the year 2021. A proud member of LGBTQA+, and the proudest member of the General Service Office since 2018. Bambi Ray Nisolada. A big part of her leadership experience kicked off her involvement in the St. Joseph Youth Catholic Faith Society.
All right, and that concludes all our segments for tonight. Again, we would like to say thank you to CEPPIO, headed by Mr. Allen Rayondanga. Palakpakan naman po natin ang team ni Sir Allen Riondanga. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, may we request on stage Attorney Marion Legacion to give the certificate of appreciation to our designers and also to our model employees. May we request our first designer, Mr. Ruel Velasco. Thank you so much, Sir Ruel Velasco, ladies and gentlemen. Also presenting the same certificate of appreciation to designer, Miss JC Pedrero. Same certificate is also given to Mr. Ryan Gongona. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all so much for joining us tonight, and to all the designers, committee heads, sponsors, model employees, maraming salamat po. Again, this is your host, Ray Sancho, and as what Ellen DeGeneres always say, be kind to one another. Good night, everyone!